Hello, my name is Ria and I'm a tutor at Ria and Features.
Hello, I'm Tom, I'm the Deputy Manager at Growing Places.
And I am Maxwell, I'm the client at Growing Places.
Hi, my name's Harry, I'm also a client at Growing Places.
My name's Adrian, I'm a tutor for Ria and Features.
Hi, we would like to share with you what we've learned over the past couple of weeks about COVID-19 and how to be safe.
We've been doing about distancing, 2 metre distancing rules, going through the changes of Growing Places and how it's changed people's lives that come here.
We had to wear PPE.
Oh, where's the PPE?
Face masks.
Wonderful. So it's the only thing we have to wear here,
Yeah,
isn't
he
it?
has to wear it so it helps prevent the spread of the
I'm going to
virus.
demonstrate to everybody how we put face masks on. What's the first thing that we do before putting a face mask on? What's this?
Hand sanitizer.
Oh, beautiful. So, I'll put some hand sanitizer on. Are you going to... Why are we doing a bit further up though, Harry?
Because this basically,
Perching.
we always perch, and so our forearms and our hands always get it the most brunt of the germs.
So in this case we know that this is a top, don't we? But it should be that you should be your feet should be down. So to help us to stop those people who wear glasses for it to stop steaming up, what's the first thing after we've washed our hands? What's the first thing that we do? We put them on top of our head. Hold your mask with your nose, we don't touch it. And then on the other hand, we open it up, don't we? We just literally open it from the bottom, just a little bit. Yeah, to the inside. We move it over to the straps in the middle, at the end, sorry. Ready? That's it. Take it to our nose, lowering our head down slightly, putting it over our nose, putting the straps behind our ears. And then, well done Maxwell, then just pull it down a little bit. A little bit too far Maxwell, take it up a little bit.
Oh.
Up, that's it. And then on our noses, we just press them just gently down, don't we?
Yeah.
What's the maximum I can wear this mask for?
The 4 hours.
4 hours. What if someone had been very generous and I'd just put this mask on, had made me a cup of tea, and I took this mask off? What would I have to do with it?
Put it in.
Yes. So we've got our masks on, we can wear it up to 4 hours. If we've worn it for 4 hours, what might be, when we've taken it off, but we'll do that in a minute, what's a good idea if we've been wearing this mask for 4 hours? What's a good idea to do once we've disposed of it?
Wash your face.
Don't be touching around near our face. So,
Oh no!
I know, it's back again. Would you like to all have a go? How are we going to take them off? Can anyone remember? The first thing is to anybody that's wearing glasses.
Put it on your head.
Yes. Now.
Here comes the tricky part now.
Yes, because we don't want to touch it, do we?
No.
What's the thing we've got to do with our head slightly? Put it down. Take them off around your ears. Well done, Maxwell. Well done. Well done, Adrian. Well done, Tom. Alright, so put it away from our mask face a little bit. And then we hold it together like so. Just put it gently in the bin.
It's our duty to keep us safe and also the people that we care about safe as well.
Hi,
Great.
this part of the section is about how virus spreads and how easy it is. And as you can see, Adrian and I are not abiding by the 2 metres. And in here is some silver glitter. But I'm going to show you how easy it is if you don't follow the new guidance, how easy it can spread. Okay. So I'm going to put some glitter in my hand. And I'm going to pretend to cough. And I'm going to be very close to somebody. And I'm going to cough. Maxwell, what's happened to Adrian?
He's got all glitter on himself.
He's got glitter all over himself. And if I don't wash my hands and I don't take responsibility, if I decide to touch the table or if I touch the bin, which has already got it all over, or here, now I'm pretending I haven't seen Adrian, shaking by the hand. What's going to be on here, guys?
The germs that you sneeze.
Got more glitter.
It's the germs. It's the germs.
There is a right way and a wrong way to take gloves off, isn't there? When we want to go inside, we have to take our gloves off, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah? Because that's part of our new protocol.
Yeah.
Would you both like to show me how you take your gloves off? You pinch them at the top. Yeah. Perfect.
And
Turn them inside out. Perfect. Right. So what you going to do with that glove? Perfect, because it's a clean glove and your hands are clean inside, Tom.
Do the same again
And do
with your.
same one again.
With your other one.
Look, inside out, look.
What are we going to do with these gloves? Is it, one, to just leave them on the table and walk away?
Or we do it in the PPE bin.
You throw it in the PPE bin. So, gentlemen, please put your gloves in the PPE bin. So now you have got some PPE. I would like to do the glitter with you. We're doing our social distancing. Maxwell has chosen blue for this demonstration because Adrian had gold before. Okay, so I put them in my hand like before. We're doing our distancing. We've got our masks on, and I'm gonna pretend to cough. What's the difference this time?
You've got COVID-19 on your hands, and I am unscathed.
You are unscathed. Where is it now?
It's within the glove.
It's within the glove, isn't it? When I coughed near you, did you feel safe?
I felt safe, yes,
Because?
because I got the proper PPE.
And how far away were you?
I was 2 meters.
I'd like to say thank you to everyone at Growing Places for doing the COVID-19 video with me.
Thank you for anyone at Growing Places to do the COVID-19 video workshop.
Be safe, everyone.